Your car feels sluggish, the check engine light is staring you down, and you have pulled a P0000 code. It sounds like a complicated mess of letters and numbers, but do not panic, because we're going to break this down into plain English so you can figure out if this is a quick fix or a shop visit. Essentially, this code is screaming that your camshaft position is responding too slowly on bank 2. Most modern engines, from Subaru to Ford, use something called variable valve timing, or VVT, to squeeze better performance and fuel economy out of your ride. The computer controls oil valves that push an actuator to physically change the angle of the camshaft while you drive. Think of it like the engine adjusting its breathing to match how hard you are running. Now, bank 2 is the side of the engine opposite cylinder 1, usually the exhaust or right side, depending on your layout. When the computer tells that camshaft to move and the sensor says it is moving too slowly or lagging behind, you get this code. This is moderate to severe because if your timing is off, your engine performance tanks, emissions go up, and you might hear some rattling noise. Before you go buying expensive sensors, I want you to do the most important check first. Check your engine oil. Seriously, since this whole system runs on oil pressure, low or dirty oil is the #1 cause of this issue. If your oil level is low or it looks like sludge, top it off or change it immediately, reset the code, and see if it comes back. If the oil is fine, we need to dig deeper. You need to inspect the wiring going to the camshaft position sensor and the oil control solenoid on bank 2. Look for any burnt wires or loose clips. If that looks good, you might need to grab a digital multimeter. You will be testing the camshaft position sensor. If it is a Hall effect sensor with 3 wires, you're looking for a fluctuating voltage signal when you crank the engine. If it is a permanent magnet type with 2 wires, you switch your meter to AC voltage and look for fluctuation there. If the sensor is dead, replace it. Do not forget the oil control solenoid itself. You can measure its resistance with your meter set to ohms. If it reads open or out of spec, it is toast. Also, pull that solenoid out and look at the little screen on it. If it is clogged with metal debris, you might have bigger engine wear issues. If all the electronics check out, you are unfortunately looking at a mechanical problem with the timing chain tensioners or the actuators themselves, which is a much bigger job involving opening up the engine timing cover. Start with the easy stuff like the oil and wiring, and you will often save yourself a massive headache.